not to be confused with another defunct ward, but larger in terms of coverage area, that existed only in 1997 to 2001, called Bukit Timah Group Representation Constituency, where that ward consisted of neighbouring towns such as Yuhua and parts of Jurong area, etc. Bukit Timah Single Member Constituency. Traditional Chinese. Simplified Chinese is a former single-member constituency, SMC, in Bukit Timah, Singapore. History. It is one of the oldest, spanning the mature estates of Clementi, Jurong East, Jurong West, Boon Lay, Joo Koon, and most of it until it was developed in 1963. In 1963, it broke away with the Jurong SMC, followed by in 1980 distributed to Air Raja SMC, Clementi SMC and West Coast SMC, and in 1984 to Yuhua SMC and Hongkar SMC. It finally absorbed into Bukit Timah GRC, now defunct, along with Bukit Batok SMC, Jurong SMC, Ulu Pandan SMC and Yuhua SMC. In 2001, it reappeared as Bukit Batok was split into two, and thus the newly formed Bukit Batok East, as well as a newly formed Taman Jurong, which used to be part of Bukit Gombak SMC, along with Jurong that was renamed as Jurong Central. Together with Yuhua forms the newly created Jurong GRC and remains until date, while Ulu Pandan was one of the founding wards of the then Holland Bukit Panjang GRC. However, the revival of Bukit Timah SMC did not last long, as it was absorbed into Holland Bukit Timah GRC in 2006 and holds until date, as Wang Kai-wen had retired on 2006 and hence Yu Fu Yishun was the successor of this ward. Members of Parliament: Lim Chin Siong, 1955 to 1959; Yaakob bin Mohammed, 1959 to 1963; Lee Ti Tong, 1963 to 1966; Cho Yo-keng, 1966 to 1984; Wang Kai-wen, 1984 to 1997 and 2001 to 2006. Constituency abolished 1997 to 2001 and 2006 present. Candidates and results. Elections in 2000s. Elections in 1990s. Elections in 1980s. Elections in 1970s. Elections in 1960s. Elections in 1950s. See also Bukit Timah GRC. References: 2001 General Elections Result, 1991 General Elections Result, 1988 General Elections Result, 1984 General Elections Result, 1980 General Elections Result, 1976 General Elections Result, 1972 General Elections Result, 1968 General Elections Result, 3rd 1966 by-elections result, 1963 General Elections Result, 1959 General Elections Result, 1955 General Elections Result, 1951 General Elections Result.